Are we on air? Yeah, okay. Hi. Welcome to a show that's about absolutely nothing. But in a way, it's about absolutely everything. Just leave comments. Leave comments. Tell us what to do. We'll do it. We'll dance. We'll sing. Anything you want, we'll do it. Finally, a show that you choose what we do, and you don't got to do anything. I'm sorry. I'm giving a call on my J phone. But you know what it's called. But I'll get sued if I say what it's really called. You wouldn't want that.
Hi,
hello?
is this Domino's?
No, this is not Domino's.
This is Domino's.
I'm telling you, it's not Domino's. You're calling me off my J phone.
I heard about this cheese sticks with the mozzarella and the cheese inside the bread. It's like a bomb.
So, Jose, I know what a cheese stick is, but we do not serve cheese sticks.
Sir, I googled on the Google, and the Google showed you numbers. So
No, I'm hanging up. Now what?
it's not Domino's.
Well, there it is. It's not Domino's. Back to you.
It's not Domino's.
It's still.